Data is exploding. Systems are stressed. IT services are moving to the cloud. And you need to work faster. Now everyone, from the CIO to the help desk, can drive to action. You can transform operations across IT with intelligent automation and drive efficiency across teams. Predict and prevent service outages with insights that give you instant access to the health of your business services. Control costs, prevent cloud sprawl, and use powerful analytics to find new opportunities to improve service delivery. With a single system of action, you have every insight and metric in one place. Now, IT is in the driver's seat to transform your business. ServiceNow. Work at light speed.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vice President and General Manager of IT Service Management, Farrell Hough.
I've worked in service management for a long time, 17 years long. And you know, it's something that's truly near and dear to my heart. In service management, we tend to look at things in the terms of people, process, and technology. For me, I spent the majority of that time focused on the people and process side. When I came to ServiceNow, I got a little bit closer to the technology. I was a consumer of it, and I was an influencer of it. But it hasn't been until this past year that I got to be in the driver's seat with the technology and driving what we put into the product. And driving IT forward, putting IT into the driver's seat. Over this past year, as I've talked with all of you and heard about the challenges that you have, and you've shared with me, what you want out of the technology, there was something that became very clear to me. One, there's enormous expertise out there. We have world-class customers who have IT service management expertise. And you want to apply that expertise to the work that you do every day. The next thing that was really clear is that you guys are primed up to drive innovation in your organizations. Like, you don't want to just sit there and know stuff. You want to get in there and do stuff. And you want to innovate. And next, you're not wanting to stop there. You can see the vision of service management for the enterprise, and you want to completely transform the business. So, what is it that's holding you back? Headwinds, you tell me. Some of them have been around for a really long time. Like this first one, the pressure to do more with less. I know this one. I've been around it for a long time. Make it more efficient. Make it automated. Tell me when you're going to get it done. That headwind probably is going to be there for IT for a long time. We're always going to need to get better. We're always going to need to automate more. But the way in which we do that, the technology that we use to do that, can look different. Next up, once we're able to show the efficiency that we can gain by doing more with less, we get questions. All right, how long is this benefit going to last me? How are you going to sustain that performance? And that's frustrating. It's difficult to answer. We're always being asked to prove our value. And as this goes across the enterprise, it's not just going to be the value in IT. Help me prove the value in HR. Help me prove the value in security. Help me prove the value in customer service. That's another one that's going to be around for a while. We should expect it. But there's more modern day challenges that you shared with me as well, like application sprawl. It's incredibly easy for your end users to gain access to new applications out there at the drop of the hat. Cloud and the adoption of cloud has made that possible. But the problem is, you in IT have no mechanism to manage all of those resources. You're expected to be able to communicate about what applications are out in use, and also all the projects that might be out there to either deliver new applications, implement them, decommission them, and you've had nothing to help you with that. The next one, more modern day challenge that we're seeing, and we hit on it earlier, is cloud chaos. We are past the tipping point of cloud adoption. Hands down, that's clear. And now what's ensuing is a lot of chaos in trying to manage those resources. It's frustrating and it's challenging when you want to move at the speed of your organization, but you're held back because you're trying to do the right thing and make sure it's compliant and available and following policy and process as we always need to do. This is our agenda for today. This is what we're going to go through. We're going to take them one by one, and we're going to show you how we turn those headwinds into tailwinds.